let's see. So supposedly I have this Aputure AL-7 light, and I don't have any like covers for it, okay? So basically there's no more control of the light when I want to make some videos or stuff. So I came up with printing a hexagon cover, which should like allow me to direct the light of. So this is supposed to go on top. Ooh, like a glove. So basically this helps to prevent the light to go like this, it goes like this. So let me clean up and I'll try to show you on like live what we have done here. Let me just, that was actually not such a difficult design to do. Surely have some moments where I have to improve, but I was looking like on AliExpress and stuff where I can get a softbox or something for it, and really there are not like quite a lot of options out there. So I figured out, why should I make it myself? I mean, while we're here, I'm gonna show you the Tough Series DeWalt blade holder. I mean, you have like these simple blades here where you push a button, you put it in. It's quite easy. And then you like have this knob here where you go back and forth. And the coolest part here is like you press this button and it opens you a small department where you have your backup ones or for exchange. Or if you break this one, you like take a new one, put it in, like reload. Anyway, I'm sure that I already don't like something I don't like, but this part here was the bottom part in the print. So basically this needs some kind of fixing to make it more nice, because all of this fuzzy skin everywhere else is quite well, looks nice. But this here, because of the glues and everything, I think it needs like sandpaper or something. But anyway, let's test now the light in the real world, if actually this help or it doesn't. So just for your information, basically we used softboxes and kind of this meshy and hexagonic style thingies to cover on the lights, so we have more control over the environment and what do we want to focus on the light. And basically, and this is what I am missing, and I thought that I need and still think that I need for my videos is to have a little bit more control when I'm lighting myself, so I have a more controllable lighting. So you see there's a spread, like an even spread around like a circle, okay? Basically, if we put this now, it's supposed to be more to the center, is it? I mean, yeah, I mean, if you look on the sides, it's not spreading the light so much as it is like this and then like this. Right. Anyway, yeah, we're done. I hope you had some fun and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.